Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to add a date picker in Google Sheets. First thing first, open your Google Sheets document, then click on the blank cell where you want to insert a date. This is where your date picker will appear once it's activated. Now go to the top menu, then click Data. Select Data Validation, and then in the Criteria dropdown, choose Date. You can also set extra conditions like is after, is before, or is between if needed. And when you're done, just click Done. Now, when you click on that cell, you'll see a small calendar icon, your new date picker. You can adjust formatting if you want. For example, change the date format via Format, Number, then Date. You can copy also and pass the validated cell to other cells to duplicate the date picker feature, and Google Sheets saves your changes automatically. And you've successfully added a date picker to your Google Sheet, making it easier, faster, and more consistent to manage project timelines, schedules, or data entries. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.